Hey sir,
Yeah.
are you drinking Pepako?
Yeah, Pepako.
Hey, did you know that Inside Scoop now has Pepako ice cream?
Oh, really? Where?
There. Eh? Where did you go?
Pepako ice cream? Sure not. Yes, I am sure, and it is surprisingly good. Some things in life don't work out, but I can assure you that this combo worked out perfectly. Cause the already cooling ice cream plus the cooling effect from the Pepako gives your body a super refreshing feeling, and it is
ridiculously good for your vocal cords.
Thank you, Zain Malik. If you never try, you never know. So head over to your nearest Inside Scoop from 29 July to 18 August 2024.